All right, you guys, I'm going to quickly give you a little walkthrough of how to represent the sum of this problem on this number line. So I have the steps written over here. So you're going to place the tail of the arrow on the first number. So our number's right here. I'll blow that up for you guys. All right, so our first number is 12. So I'm going to place the tail of this arrow over here. We don't have quite 12 on here, but I'll pretend. And then the length of the arrow is the absolute value of the second number. So my second number is negative 3.5. The absolute value of that is 3.5. So my arrow would be 3.5 long. And I'm going to add actually I'm going to draw. And I'm going to add to this. So 11, and then we'll put 12 here. That way you guys can get a better idea. I'll make sure your guys' number lines are the correct length. So I would then look at the direction. And so I see that the direction of the arrow is based on the sign of the second number. So my direction of my sign is negative, and so your arrow will go left for negative and right for positive. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to flip it around so that it's facing towards the left. And my tail would be on 12. And I'm going to stretch it to where it's 3.5. So right now it's at 1, 2, it would do 3.5. And so I'm right there halfway between 8 and 9. And so my answer would be 8.5. So then I would just write 8.5 down here. It is still positive 8.5. So make sure you're paying attention to the sign. So my answer is 8.5. All right, you guys are going to do the exact same thing on the next slide. So make sure you check back here for your how to do that.